Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have something very simple. These are ceramic knives. So they come in all different brands. This is the FindKing, but you'll find all different kinds of brands. And you can pick any one. They're the same. They're basically just ceramic knives as opposed to metal. So the big question is, should you get this? In my opinion, the answer is no. And here are my reasons. The main one being that once it becomes dull, there is no easy way to resharpen them. So when they're new, they're great. They're very sharp and they're sharper than the metal ones. But when they become dull, you have to have a special machine to grind them, like the one that you see here on the screen. This is a bench grinder. Most people do not have this. And if you do have this, you're going to have it in the garage. You're not going to want to have this loud, very loud machine in your kitchen. And it's also a dangerous machine, so I think it makes everything complicated to have to use that machine instead of a regular knife sharpener. Because if you try a regular knife sharpener, you won't be able to sharpen these. So that's one thing. The other thing is that it does stain a little bit. It looks like it's dirty, but it's actually stained. Over the years, it'll start getting stained, and there's no way to wash that away or clean that off. So if you decide to get this, the way I would recommend it is that you use it only for special occasions and use it with a wooden cutting board to maintain the sharpness, and use it only like that. Don't use it as an everyday knife as a substitute for metal knives, because it just doesn't work. Once it gets dull, there's no easy way to resharpen them. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.